Namaste student, खुश रहो बेटिया। I, JVN Dr. Kaushik Chakravarti from Faculty of Education Methodology. Today we are going to discuss about the subject biomedical signal processing. In that particular subject, we are going to discuss the session coupled and correlated process of signals. Basically, in the body system, in our body system, we are studying here the different portion of signals, including biomedical signals, and from different body parts generated different types of signals. So correlations and signal reconnaissance is very important factors for our body system and for the instrument which will be connected with our body. In that particular concept, the coupled and correlations process is very important. Coupled means it will be correlate and coupled. Suppose we have printers and we have system. So we have to install the printer in the system. After that we will print a paper from printer. That means we have to correlate the instrument or the signals with our particular body parts. Then we have to recognize the signals. Then we have to collect the data of the signals. In signal processing, correlations is a measure of similarity of two series of functions, the displacement of one relative to the other. This is also known as sliding dot product or sliding inner product. It is commonly used for searching a long signals for a shorter product or sliding inner product known as feature. It is the applications in pattern recognition, signal particles, electrons chemotherapy, averaging, and nucleophysics. The cross correlations is a similar in nature to the convolutions of two functions. In an autocorrelations, which is the cross correlations of the signal itself, there will always be a peak at large of zero and negative energy in the signal. In probability statistics, the term cross correlations refer to the correlations between the entries and entire two random vectors, and while the correlations of random vectors are the correlations between the entire of itself, those forming the correlation matrix. If each of and its scalar random variable which is realized repeatedly in a time series, then the correlations of various temporal instants are known as autocorrelations. Let's say it's an important factor, the term autocorrelations. It's the scalar vectors random scalar quantity which is randomly variables, and the cross correlations with the across the times are temporal cross correlations. In probability and statistics, the definitions of correlations always includes a standarding factor in such a way that correlations have the value between +1 and -1. If there are two independent random variables with probability density functions and respectively, then the probability density difference is formed given by the cross correlations. However, this terminology is not used in the probability and statistics. In the context of convolution, equivalence the correlations of give the probability density functions of the sum. So that we are discussed the topic correlations and the coupled here. The signals must be correlate with the other signals and the instruments which are connected with our body system or the body parts from which the signals to be generated. In that particular case, it is commonly used for searching a long signals for a shorter product or sliding of inner product. It's a commonly used for pattern recognition, signal particle analysis, electron chromotherapy, and neurophysics. Thank you.